Guarda.
Why don't I cry in sympathy? This child is in deep sorrow, Lord. Why don't I act in empathy? Cry with those who cry, you say, Lord, I really want to. Please show me how. Cry in the name of the Lord. Cry in the name of Jesus. You are God of peace, God of sorrow. Lord, you are King of grace, King of righteousness. Lord, you know how to control these things you created. Lord, please teach me how, 'cause I wanna know. 'Cause I wanna know, yeah. In the beginning, you created man in your holy image. Father, you are love. You create in your image, and therefore human is love. But Satan came and crashed it all down, and he broke the love inside. Now there's so many souls thirsting for your love.